Hello, kid. Well, today I'm going to tell you something which will leave you surprised. Do you know what is that? Well, if you see, there are modes of transport around us, right? But they also require drinks just like you and me. Surprised, right? Let me tell you what drinks do they require. See, over here we can see the different types of food and the drinks that we have in our day-to-day lives. Now, have you seen this thing ever before? Well, this is a scene of a petrol pump wherein the vehicles go and get their drinks. So what are these drinks? Well, these drinks which give them energy to run and function properly are known as fuels. So do you know what are the different type of fuels used? Well, they are the petrol and the diesel. So the petrol and the diesel are the different types of fuels used by the vehicles. Now, since we as human beings have different type of food that we eat, similarly vehicles also use different types of fuels. Like over here you can see some of us like biryani or sweets or pizza or fruits. So these are the different kinds of food that we eat, right? Similarly, over here we see the petrol and the diesel are the different types of fuels that are used by different types of transport. Let's see. So first we have the commercial vehicles. What are commercial vehicles? Well, the vehicles that are used for commercial purposes like the public transport which help us to go from one place to another. Not only that, commercial vehicles like trucks also help in transportation of goods, right? So other than trucks, what are the other commercial vehicles? Well, there are buses, commercial cars like the taxis, the recent Ola and Uber cabs that you avail, they all come under the commercial cars. So all of these vehicles which are used for commercial purposes run on diesel. What do they run on? They run on diesel. So this is the type of fuel required by the commercial vehicles. So now let's look at the vehicles that we use, that is our private vehicles like the scooter and the bike. So we usually find these in our home. So these are our personal vehicles. So what do they need? Well, they need petrol to run. So the type of fuel required by personal vehicles like bike and scooter is petrol. Now, with the advancement of technology, nowadays we find transport which also uses different types of fuels like the compressed natural gas. Also, there are transport which run on electricity. So, which vehicles run on these? Well, for compressed natural gas, it is auto rickshaw, and for electricity, it is the metro train. First, we have the auto rickshaw. Well, previously they used to run on diesel, but now they have converted and they use compressed natural gas as their fuel. So do you know why do they do that? Well, because petrol and diesel when burnt give out a lot of smoke which causes air pollution. So that is harmful for us. So when the auto rickshaws use compressed natural gas, so much of smoke is not produced and hence the air pollution is decreased. So auto rickshaws use compressed natural gas. So I have a question for you. Which transport runs on CNG, compressed natural gas? Is it option 1, auto rickshaw, or option 2, bus, or option 3, bike? Let me tell you. Well, we have seen that the commercial vehicles like buses work on diesel. So this is a wrong option. Next, coming to bike, we have seen that it is a personal vehicle which runs on petrol. So this is also a wrong option. So the correct option is auto rickshaw, which runs on compressed natural gas. Nowadays, electricity is also used by lots of transport for traveling. Let's find out what are they. First, we have the electric car. Well, the electric cars run on batteries which use electricity. So, this also reduces the air pollution. Not only that, you will also find the tuk-tuk which runs on electricity. So, the electric cars and tuk-tuk run on electricity. Not only the electric cars and the tuk-tuk, even if you look at the train and the metro, well, you will find they also operate on electricity. See, these are the electrical lines. So, these transport also use electricity and not petrol or diesel. So, these are the different types of transport that we use in our day-to-day lives, like bus, bike, train and auto. And all of these vehicles need different kinds of fuel. So, what are they? Well, for bus, it is diesel. For bike, it is petrol. For train, it is electricity. And for the auto, it is the compressed natural gas. So, my dear kid, now you know, just like we humans eat different kinds of food and different types of drink, similarly, different kinds of transport also require different types of fuel like petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas and electricity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.